The backing pad screws onto the polisher spindle. It has a hook and loop surface that secures the polishing bonnets to the polisher. Over time, the hook and loop surface can wear, so it will no longer hold the bonnet firmly. The foam pad can be torn if it strikes a sharp object. Replacing the backing pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Installing a new backing pad is simple to do. To begin, we'll remove the old pad. To remove the old pad, first I'll lock the spindle. I'll do that by depressing the button. I'll rotate the pad until the lock pin engages, like that. With the spindle locked, I can unscrew the pad. Now I can install the new pad. I'll thread it onto the spindle, again lock the spindle, and tighten the pad up. And that's all there is to it. And that's how simple it is to install a new backing pad on your polisher. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.